Not the kind of evening which Chennai Super Kings fans were expecting in Chepauk. RCB has simply steamrolled Chennai Super Kings in Unbuden. Hello and welcome. You are watching the Federal with me, Abhijit Singh Bhamra, and as you can see, quite a lot of dejected Chennai Super Kings fans are heading back home. But as far as RCB fans are concerned, it is an absolutely Diwali for them in Chennai. So let's get hold of few Chennai fans. So what went wrong? What went wrong for this? So obviously it's not the time which which they would want to talk to, but as understandable as it is, that it's not in the best. They are not in the best of moods. But cricket is all about winning and losing at the same time. So let's quickly ask. So where do you think we lost the game?
No problem, no problem. They batted well and bowled well.
Well, maybe the decision to bowl was a mistake. He said they might not be due and all that. Let's not talk about the score they said. 2008, we have a record that they've never won since that. Something has been broken today, we'll see. Yeah, it's not every day you hear that in Chennai.
CSK during the batting, we lost the game. Actually, we thought Rutraj will give some good knock, but he failed. So that's where we failed. And also Rachin Ravindra also last match we can see he played very well, but this time he failed. So that's where we lost. Actually, in the power play, we should have scored at least 70. It will be better, but below par we scored in the power play. That's where we lost the game.
Win or loss? CSK.
Always we support CSK.
I think the batting was too good for RCB.
Because we should take back first.
Well, it was a slobber knocker from Royals Challengers Bengaluru as they defeat Chennai Super Kings in their own den, Unbuden, on Friday evening. It's a lot cooler, but the temperatures and Chennai Super Kings fans are just increasing. But it is a moment to celebrate for Royal Challengers Bengaluru fans as they have decimated CSK for the first time in 17 long years. Their last victory came in Chennai in 2008. Let's go to some fans.
But anyways, RCB can win all the 14 matches, but they'll not win the trophy at the end of the day. Yeah, that's what is required in IPL.
Do you feel catching was an issue?
Yeah,
Yeah,
the initial 2 catch misses was like great. Was a great wicket has been lost, not been yanked. So it was
They had reduced about 20-30 runs if they had caught those catches. Especially the Rajas Patidar's catch, those 2 catches are very
could have
important.
reduced. Then it would have been easy for us to win. Yeah.
RCB's fielding was excellent. They are excellent in the field.
Where do you think CSK lost the game today?
I think the intent was not there in the first place. See, winning and losing is a part and parcel of the game. But I strongly feel that the intent should be there. And you cannot have too many out of sorts players. Tripathi, Huda, these are flinch players and they are, totally looking out of sorts. So they should pick up a combination which intimidates the opposition. I think it's high time they should consider Devon Conway and Anshul Kamboj in place of Tripathi and probably Huda. And Vijay Shankar has a decent record off late. He's playing well in domestic games, so I think he should get a look in. If they could make some changes in terms of the combination, I guess CSK can come back.
Was RCB just too good?
Yeah, they were indeed. I think what lacked in CSK has clicked for RCB. They looked right on top, right? The intent was there, the plan was there, and I think RCB thoroughly deserved to win this game. Though it's a heartbreak for us, but yeah, kudos to RCB.
I feel it was the last over, the last 3 sixes, and fielding was a bit okayish actually today.
I was not really excited about it. I was just worried about the team as an entire thing.
The game was interesting.
It was nice?
Yes.
Yeah, did you enjoy?
Yes.
RCB won also?
Yes.
You're double happy?
Yes.
Give me high five. Yay!
In the power play, they didn't score much runs, so they got pressure. So that is the reason behind the CSK fall.
I think it was Deepak Huda's catch drop.
It was not a regular Chepauk pitch.
Actually, I'm not RCB supporter. Once again.
No, you won it.
So this is quite it's quite a bluff.
That was the best part, but I think poor fielding. It started with poor fielding and then poor selection of shots in the beginning.
The game was superb. It was not in a one side, it was a both side game. But finally, Dhoni was in good batting.
Dhoni 6 அடிச்சதை பார்த்துட்டோம் போதும் அது போதும்.
RCB this cup also not having. We having a 5 cup.
Nice game. They played well, yeah.
Actually, we felt little bad. We are feeling bad, but we are happy that Dhoni has played a lot of 6s and 4s. So we are happy on seeing his face. That's our dream. We met him.
RCB. So RCB supporters quite loud today. Okay, tell us your emotions.
Isala bro, this year we are winning this. Come on. Yeah. Loading. RCB Cup loading. RCB. Yes, definitely.
Where do you think? So quite a lot of banter going on right now, and it's absolutely fine. Okay, where do you think RCB outclassed CSK today?
Rajat's batting and bowling, the new power play. Exactly. We still respect Dhoni. We still love Dhoni. We actually supported Dhoni as a loyal fan.
The opening pair was not nice actually because Tripathi was there, who's not up to impact creator like Rutraj Gaikwad the last season, whatever. But it was a great loss actually because like RCB outperformed CSK. So maybe in future we'll beat them. After 18 years, they try to break our record. We are holding the record for 18 years. That is even achievable actually. It is unbelievable that obviously they outperformed us today. So nothing much to speak about it. Yeah.
5-0. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. RCB 0. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Clearly, the 5-time champions are showing off that they have the crown, that they have the IPL titles as compared to RCB, I beg your pardon, which is something that they still have to achieve. So, overall, it was a game that was dominated by RCB, that was clearly for RCB to take along. A teachings here for CSK and all to not to take even games lightly at home. So, congratulations to the RCB, but like as I said, that it's not over for CSK. They are still in it. With camera person KK, this is Abhijit Singh reporting for the Federal.